Good day and welcome to another exciting video. In today's video, we are switching it up. We are going to do a whole deep clean on my first floor. This is new content for me and my page, but I have been feeling very much moved to create more content showing you all the lifestyle of a homemaker and the blessing behind it. This is the first of many of this type of style of content coming, cooking, cleaning with me, and of course, seasonal decoration always. So I cannot wait for you all to watch this through, and please let me know your feedback. If you love this type of content, if you would love to see more of this, I am so excited to know your thoughts. Thank you all so much for cleaning with me today. I really do hope this video has motivated you to get cleaning, because y'all know we have fall decor, cozy vibes, and hibernation season is upon us, okay? So stay tuned, because I have an amazing, huge fall decor haul coming up next after this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment your thoughts below, and I hope to see you in my next video.